Hello and welcome to Botbit Consulting, your guide to enhanced productivity and reduced costs through automation. In this video, we demo our Tally automation solution. T-Bot is a simple yet elegant robot trained to operate most basic functions in Tally, like creating ledgers, vouchers, stock items, etc. T-Bot is also capable of converting bank account statements into accounting vouchers. Before starting Tbot, make sure you're on the Gateway to Tally page and have checked the current period and date. Once Tbot starts, select what you would like the bot to do from the drop down here. For the sake of this demo, we would have it convert bank account statements into vouchers. You would notice as soon as we clicked OK, the robot gets to work on its own. It compiles the list of existing ledgers and groups for the company we're working with. Once Tbot has compiled the information it needs to proceed further, it prompts you to download the template that it requires the information in. It then downloads the bank statement template onto your desktop. In the template, simply copy and paste your bank account statement and add the ledger names at the end of the transactions. If the ledger does not exist on Tally, Tbot would simply create a new ledger in the appropriate group and proceed with creating the voucher. Once your file is ready, simply upload the file and Tbot shall take care of the rest. The robot shall read each transaction and create an appropriate voucher on Tally in a matter of few seconds. Imagine the time it takes to fill in thousands of transactions and hundreds of ledgers on Tally. Tbot can create them all in less than 5 minutes. In addition to being a great accounting whiz, Tbot can upload hundreds of ledgers at once, create new stock items, and update prices on existing stock items. It can also bulk upload accounting and inventory vouchers in simple formats. To save hundreds of hours spent on updating Tally data, contact us today.